Hi, welcome to the fourth video of introducing SynBUILD. In this video we get stuck into executions, where all our hard work steams ahead in epic time or dies. Let's get started. The goal is to create 100 files with PowerShell in Windows and Shell in Linux. First we need a procedure, then our Linux step. I've written this shell script and not tested it or run it. Hopefully it has some errors for us to debug. I've used placeholders for the min and max file number. Now create our Windows step. This PowerShell script I copied from PowerShell.com. I can already see that it's not right. Now we need our plan. Now we're done with the setup, let's get executing. The execution screen is fairly straightforward. We have a list of executions on the left, ordered by creation date, the tree of steps, the step status and output, and the control and progress bar. When an execution is created, it snapshots certain parts of the procedure. These won't reflect updates. These are step names and the structure of the procedure tree. Multiple executions can be created for a single plan. This allows results to be stored from past executions, which can then be compared to recent executions to see if things are fixed. Or you can just run the same execution again and the results will be overwritten. If you remove or add steps to the procedure, you must create a new execution. As you can see, we can't run anything with unmapped placeholders, but luckily we can fix this by editing the plan from the execution screen. To do this, we click Open Plan. Fill out the placeholders. Now we can run it. Our procedure and plan are pretty poor quality. I just threw them in. So we're not confident enough to run the whole plan. We can run each step individually for now. This can be done from the Run Step button in each step. I didn't expect that problem. I'll start debugging. Without leaving the execution, we can edit our steps by clicking Open Step. Right here is the largest motivating factor in SynBUILD's design. If we had a procedure that takes 2 hours to run, and it was all one large text file, in almost all cases we'd have several problems on our hands. The first is that the log output is all going to one place. When we review this log output, there are thousands of lines of text. It would take a while to thoroughly review the log file for errors. It's also very difficult to locate and view the output for certain steps. The second is when you find the error, you'd fix it and then rerun the whole procedure. There's another 2 hours. And lastly, there is usually no error checking on each step. The script will run end to end, snowballing the errors. These are the problems SynBUILD was designed to solve. In SynBUILD, the step output is captured against each step. You can rerun a failed step without having to rerun the procedure from the start, and each step is checked for failure. Alright, enough monologuing, back to work. You can see we've edited this step and retried it 5 times now. I've made some pretty silly bugs, but bugs happen, and SynBUILD allowed me to fix my mistakes quickly. Our step looks right, but there are no files listed. Let's check the mapping in the plan. Fix, save, run. Awesome, our files are there now. That's it. The step is now debugged. I'm pretty happy with it. Now for the PowerShell step. A classic copy and paste error. Let's fix it. Our path is wrong and we're not using the same placeholders for max and min that we had in the Linux step. The placeholders we've put in weren't right. Let's go check what the plan says. We need to create the directory. One more quick edit and we should be done. Let's run it one last time. It works. Awesome. Let's check the files on Windows and the files on Linux. All looks good. SynBUILD tracks the time each step takes to execute. This allows some great progress indications on subsequent runs. And that's it. In this video, we've looked at executions in SynBUILD, their robustness, and how they enable fast debugging of plans and steps. The next video shows how SynBUILD can generate and deploy highly customized configuration files. Thanks for watching.